How to hide likes on Facebook post. So go open your Facebook application. In this homepage tab, click on the menu tab, scroll down and expand the settings and privacy. Once these are shown, click on settings and then proceed to profile settings. Scroll down and in the newsfeed tab, go to reaction preferences. If you turn on this first toggle, you will not be able to see the number of reactions in others' posts that will be shown in your newsfeed. If you want to hide the number of likes from your own post, turn on this toggle on the second option. This way, your friends will not be able to see the total number of likes or any reactions to any of your posts. So that is how to hide likes on Facebook posts. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.